Change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. This quote reflects Obama's message of empowerment and the need for individuals to take action and drive the change they desire in their communities and the world. The best way to not feel hopeless is to get up and do something. Don't wait for good things to happen to you. If you go out and make some good things happen, you will fill the world with hope. You will fill yourself with hope. Obama's words inspire individuals to take initiative and contribute positively to society, emphasizing the importance of personal agency and making a difference. We did not come to fear the future. We came here to shape it. This quote encapsulates Obama's vision of optimism and hope, urging individuals to embrace the future with confidence and actively participate in shaping a better world. Change is never easy, but always possible. Obama's quote reflects his belief in the potential for positive transformation and the power of collective action to overcome challenges and bring about meaningful change. In the end, that's what this election is about. Do we participate in a politics of cynicism, or do we participate in a politics of hope? This quote captures the essence of Obama's message during his presidential campaign, calling for a departure from cynicism and embracing a politics rooted in hope, unity, and progress.